Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, we are doing our part 2 of affordable housing schemes coming to the Jamaican real estate market in 2022. Now, part 1 of this video was done, but of course we couldn't talk about everything as yet. So that's what we're doing in today's video. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Let's jump right in talking about the confirmation that we got from the HAJ this morning, the Housing Agency of Jamaica. So they have confirmed the housing schemes that they will be bringing forward to the Jamaican real estate market in the 2022-2023 fiscal year. Now they plan to offer 1,269 housing solutions, and this will include Catherine Estates, 800 units, formerly called Bernard Lodge, the Edmund Ridge Phase 2 in St. James, and we spoke about this last week, and they want to provide 169 units. And then the next one will be the Hellshire View, formerly called Shooters Hill. So Shooters Hill has been renamed to Hellshire View, 300 units. And then they have a development in Reid's Pen, Portmore, 74 units. Let's talk about Catherine Estates. Now we know that there was a huge rush for these housing developments last summer. And oh my gosh, when I tell you that they sold out super quickly because of the price that they were being offered at. So the prices for these detached houses and duplex studios started at 6 million up to 7 million. Now the real selling point of the Catherine Estates was the fact that the land space offered persons the ability to expand. So they were nice starter homes. They were small, I'm not gonna lie, I drove past and they were really small. I was like, wow. But you know, some persons just need a start, and this is what this development offered, a start. Now the duplex homes were 237 square feet, and then the one bedroom homes were 367 square feet. So yeah, really small. But as I said, the opportunity to expand, the land space was there to expand. So if you needed something to start, this is the start. Of course, many persons would have missed out on this opportunity because, you know, they could only accept so much. But it's good to know that it will be back on the market soon, and there will be opportunity for the new buyers. Now, there isn't much I could tell you about this new development at Reid's Pen, other than they stated that it's located in Portmore, St. Catherine, and they will offer semi-detached 2-story, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom units, as well as 6 standalone units. And I mean, the St. Catherine homes, they go very quickly, so jump on it. That's all I can say really. Now let's talk about this development in St. Elizabeth. Now the Luana Gardens 4 will be offering phase 3, additional housing units in phase 3. And as I said before, it's located in Luana, St. Elizabeth. What they'll be offering is 200 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom detached units and 50 serviced lots. So if you look at the history of Luana, there's quite some controversy, right? So I believe the first houses or lots offered back in 2011 were priced at about 3.8 million, and what the HAJ said was that they incurred a severe loss for pricing these units so low because, you know, the units cost around $11 million at that time to make one, and then they sold them for such a low cost. So there's been a lot of controversy. I don't know why these affordable housing units, it always has to make the news about something negative, about something that went wrong and prices and chaos, but they're back and they'll be back on the market this year. So here's another opportunity to get in on some affordable housing, especially if you live in the St. Elizabeth area. So in the last offering, the lots were 3,000 square feet, and then the smallest homes were 275 square feet, and I believe these were studios at that time. So no studios this time around, only 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom detached units and 50 service lots. So you can build your own, create your own heaven and your own magic. Wihcon is also offering a new development. They haven't stated much, but from the info on their website, it will be located in Portmore, St. Catherine. Wow. Is St. Catherine going to be the new Kingston based on how densely populated it seems to be headed in? Like, wow. But they have the land space in St. Catherine, so why not? So they're offering 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhouses, and they said that this will be in a gated community, 20 minutes from Hellshire and 10 minutes from the Portmore Sovereign Village. So if you are interested in this development, you can go to Wihcon's website and sign up, and they will send you more info and more updates as that information becomes available, and I'll also update you. So yeah, here's a development from Wihcon. They'll be located in Portmore, St. Catherine. Now, it wouldn't be fair of me to be a Kingston resident currently and not share some affordable housing options coming to Kingston. Now, affordability in Kingston is different from affordability in the other parishes, but hey, I guess that's what you get, for having all the amenities and lovely places to go to. So give and take. So here we have the Vineyards at Deanery Road, and they're located at Deanery Road, Kingston, and this is in the Vineyard town. I think it would be like Stadium Gardens kind of area, right? Now prices will start at 17.1 million, and they are offering 80 apartments, which will be a mix of studios. The studios will begin at 585 square feet, and then the 2-bedroom, 2-bathrooms will be 866 square feet. What are the amenities being offered? Now, the amenities include a swimming pool, walking trail, rooftop entertainment, elevator, and 24-hour security. They're promising that these apartments will be modern, great for entertainment. Kingston's version of affordability, we can call it that. So here is an option for you. So if you're interested in this, I will leave info in the description box below. So these are the Vineyards at Deanery Road. Here is another housing solution coming to persons in the Kingston and St. Andrew area, and these are the Belvedere Apartments. They are located at Belvedere Road, Kingston 19, and this is 5 minutes from the foot of Red Hills. Now, the date of completion for these apartments is slated for April 2022. What will be offered? Now, they are offering 1-bedroom and 1-bathroom units with balconies, and these 1-bedroom units will be 650 square feet. The apartments will be housed in a gated complex with a swimming pool, 24-hour security, quartz countertop, gazebos, and other nice little features which will give that modern apartment touch that persons seem to really love in Kingston. The prices for these apartments will begin at 22.5 million and go to 23.75 million. And as you know, with these apartments in Kingston, the higher you go, so the highest level will be the most expensive. We know how that is. So the Red Hills area is typically a sought after area for many persons because it's further away from the hustle and the bustle of the city, kind of a little bit it's kind of an area great for persons who are more reserved. They don't like, you know, all that city life has to offer. It's a bit more homey. So if you are interested, again, I will leave the information in the description box below. So that is Belvedere Apartments on Belvedere Road, Kingston 19, 5 minutes away from the foot of Red Hills. Modern apartment complex coming to the Kingston and St. Andrew area really, really soon. April 22 to be exact. Did I say April 22? April 2022. Why does that sound so wrong? 2022, 2002, 22. Oh, okay, you know what? Anyways, so that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. Also, you guys can follow me on TikTok at Britonny if you want to see more of like my daily vlogs and personal life. So I'm at TikTok at Britonny. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.